Welcome, Michael Wickerson here. This is a couple of minutes of how to set up for the Wickerson way to use openAI to generate Blender animations to study pretty much anything you ever wanted. So one thing you're going to want to do is go into ChatGPT. You're going to want your account. You're going to want to start a new ChatGPT. And you're going to want to use a prompt that says basically, with this list in here of whatever information I want, teach me about the whatever you wanted to study, pick a subject, by creating animations in Blender 4.2 by writing Python 3.0 scripts. Start with 20 basic game design ideas and animation scripts. That's it. That will do anything you want on any subject. That said, I also want you to go into Blender, and this is my template that starts fresh, but let's say you started on something else. Let's say the scripting node came out like this to begin with. What you're going to want to do is simply go here, close this area. I'm going to close up this area, and I would just close everything initially. Close everything, slide this one over. Li, I need you to be quiet. And I think that one's actually a script, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, let me just find out. Oh, I'm going to go here. I'm going to insert, strange, I got rid of what I had going on, which was not good. Let me try that again. Scripting node, I'm going to composting, back to scripting. That was strange. And I will try that one more time. File new, general scripting. Don't save that one. I've set my general to this one. Anyway, I got it figured out that I split the screens. I narrowed it down to here. I can't remember how I did it. I split this one vertically. I split these ones horizontally. The one at the bottom I leave as info because that will be important to have any info for running scripts and seeing bugs. Then I have a scripting node here that's a text editor for Python, and I will set that up new, so I'll be able to write Python script in here, as simple as anything. I like to run a console so I can see if there's any real bugs that are happening, so that is just the Python console. And then also I like to set up the timeline for animations, and I'll play that one back. It's not everything I need, but it's enough. And all I have to do is see the animation visually. I do like to keep some of these objects that I can kind of select and edit. I will take that out. I will start with nothing. I probably will start with no lights and no camera. And then if I set that up right, I should be able to slam that off to the side here and give myself just enough room, if you take a look here, that I can see the renders I want. I can extend out this one a little bit. Into it a little bit like that so I can see some geometries, and that's basically all I need. I need to be able to run my script. I need to be able to look at my timeline and run my code. So let's basically pick a subject and see what's happening, but that's the setup. Get started with that and we'll see what happens, and thanks very much for watching.